Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you've ever wanted, wealth, freedom, success, was always within your reach. But there was one thing holding you back: your own mind. What if I told you that the secret to making more money isn't just about hard work or luck, but about how you think, how you feel, and how you see yourself in the world? Most people believe that money is something external, something that only comes with the right job, the right connections, or the right opportunities. But here's the shocking truth. Wealth starts from within. It's not just about what you do, but who you are. And the reason some people seem to attract money effortlessly while others struggle is because of one simple but powerful factor: their mindset. In this video, you're about to discover how your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions directly shape your financial reality. You'll learn the exact steps to reprogram your mind for wealth, align your energy with abundance, and create the kind of reality where money flows to you naturally. These are the same principles used by some of the most successful people in the world, people who went from nothing to millions, not just by working harder, but by thinking differently. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Science is now proving what ancient wisdom has been saying for centuries. Your mind is like a magnet. The thoughts you hold, the beliefs you nurture, and the emotions you feel all influence the kind of life you create. Have you ever noticed that when you expect things to go wrong, they usually do? That's because your brain is designed to seek out and create the reality you focus on the most. So if you're constantly thinking, money is hard to make, or I'll never be rich, your subconscious will do everything in its power to make sure that's true. But what happens when you flip the script? When you start seeing yourself as wealthy before you even have the money? When you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with success? That's when everything changes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. By the time you finish watching, you'll have a clear understanding of the hidden connection between your mindset and financial success, how to break free from limiting beliefs that keep you stuck, the step-by-step process to attract more money into your life, the real reason why most people fail financially, and how you can avoid making the same mistakes. Most people will never hear about these principles. They'll continue living in financial struggle, thinking that wealth is only for the lucky few. But not you, because today you're about to learn the truth. A truth that could change your life forever. Welcome to Limitless Infinity. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and create the reality you deserve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because trust me, what you're about to discover will completely shift the way you think about money, success, and life itself. Now, let's dive in. Everything you see in your life right now, your financial situation, your career, your opportunities, is a reflection of the thoughts and beliefs you've held over time. The way you think about money shapes the way you act, and the way you act determines the results you get. This is why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try. Your mind is like a powerful engine, constantly running and influencing every decision you make. If you believe that making money is hard, you'll subconsciously avoid opportunities that could bring financial success. If you believe you're not meant to be wealthy, you'll sabotage your own efforts without even realizing it. This is called a self-fulfilling prophecy, a psychological phenomenon where your expectations shape your reality. Think about it. If you expect to fail, you won't try as hard. You'll give up easily. You'll make excuses instead of pushing through challenges. And when failure happens, you'll say, "See, I knew it wouldn't work." But if you expect success, if you truly believe it's possible, you'll keep going. You'll find solutions instead of obstacles. And over time, that belief turns into reality. So, how do you break free from limiting beliefs and reprogram your mind for wealth? It starts with 3 key steps. 1. Set clear financial goals. You can't achieve what you don't define. Most people say they want to be rich, but they never actually decide what that means. Is it earning a certain amount per month? Owning a home? Having financial freedom to travel? Be specific. Write down your financial goals and break them into actionable steps. The more clear you are, the easier it is for your mind to focus on bringing those goals to life. To visualize success. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you visualize yourself achieving financial success, seeing the numbers in your bank account, feeling the joy of financial freedom, experiencing the life you desire, you train your mind to accept it as possible. This isn't just daydreaming, it's programming your subconscious to align with wealth. Athletes use this technique to win championships. Entrepreneurs use it to build billion-dollar companies, and you can use it to rewire your financial reality. 3. Affirm positive beliefs. Your words shape your world. If you constantly tell yourself, I'm broke, I'll never be rich, or money is evil, those beliefs will direct your actions and keep you stuck. Replace them with empowering affirmations like, money flows to me easily, I am financially abundant, and I attract wealth effortlessly. Repeating these daily shifts your mindset and helps you start seeing opportunities where you once saw obstacles. But mindset alone isn't enough. To create real financial change, you need strategy. Wealthy people don't just think differently, they act differently. They follow proven financial principles that help them grow their income and multiply their wealth. Budgeting is the foundation. The 75/15/10 rule, for example, is a simple way to manage money. 75% for living expenses, rent, food, bills, 15% for savings and investments, 10% for personal development or giving back. When you control your spending, you free up money to build wealth. Investing is what turns money into more money. The wealthy don't just save, they invest in stocks, real estate, businesses, and other assets that grow over time. The earlier you start investing, the more your money compounds, creating long-term wealth. Multiple income streams are the key to financial security. Relying on just one job or source of income is risky. Millionaires often have several income streams, side businesses, passive income, investments, so they're never dependent on just one paycheck. In today's digital world, opportunities for extra income are endless. From freelancing and online businesses to content creation and affiliate marketing, real-life success stories prove that these strategies work. There are countless people who started with nothing, no money, no connections, but by shifting their mindset and applying the right strategies, they completely transform their financial reality. Some of the wealthiest individuals today once struggled with poverty and debt, but they refused to let their circumstances define them. Instead, they changed their thoughts, took action, and rewrote their financial future. Of course, the journey isn't always easy. Fear and doubt will try to hold you back. Society may tell you that wealth is only for a lucky few. You may face setbacks and challenges. But the truth is, financial success isn't about luck. It's about mindset, strategy, and persistence. Those who stay consistent, adapt, and push through obstacles are the ones who break free from limitations and create the wealth they desire. Everything starts in the mind. The way you think about money shapes the way you act, and the way you act creates your financial reality. If you believe in limitations, you'll stay stuck. But if you shift your mindset, set clear goals, and take action, you can break free and build the wealth you desire. We talked about how thoughts influence financial success, the power of visualization and affirmations, and the importance of financial strategies like budgeting, investing, and multiple income streams. Now, it's up to you. Start today. Define your financial goals, reprogram your beliefs, and take steps toward your dream life. The sooner you start, the sooner your reality will change. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel Limitless Infinity for more powerful insights on creating success and abundance. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.